Hello guys, good morning all of you because it's morning. So आज है Saturday and today I thought to do some weekend routine. Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. And it's morning. Yeah, exactly, if you guess it. And टाइटल से आपको पता चल गया होगा कि आज मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. So today I am vlogging and ये रहेगा weekend vlog. Yes, my husband is also in home. He is a good cook. को भी पता चलेगा तब मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. So he is preparing for breakfast. Don't know what he is doing, what he is preparing, but let's go and see. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload the new videos. So मैं अभी पी रही हूँ turmeric and warm water. So it is the first thing I will do every morning. So आज है weekend, I can't skip it out. So मैं पी रही हूँ. को शिवदीप से भी मिलाऊंगी. So he is preparing for breakfast and also afternoon के लिए हम दोनों बना रहे हैं क्योंकि मेरी मदर इन लॉ आज रेस्ट में है. So we are doing. So let's go. So after having my drink, I done with my face wash and then मैं अभी शुरू करूँगी मेरा काम. Now you can see what Shivdeep is doing.
Guys, this is Shivdeep here. It's Saturday, so we are cooking a new recipe. Not new, actually it's a new for me. My mom used to prepare neer dosa and kara chutney that we called tomato chutney. So today I just wanted to try it. So first I am preparing kara chutney or tomato chutney we can call.
Actually, Shivdeep itself prepared this recipe and while doing that he recorded also. But due to the construction going on near our home, there was a lot of noise disturbance. So Shivdeep told what tum hi voice over kar do. So now I am sharing how he did this recipe. So in a kadai he added 2 tablespoons of oil. To check whether it's heated or not, he always add little mustard seeds. Comment me below how many of you guys do like this. So when it starts popping, next he is going to add all the ingredients which is required for this recipe, as you can see here. So once it heated, he is going to add 8 to 9 garlic, which gives a very good flavor for this chutney. So 8 to 9 garlic, and he is going to fry for a while until it turns into a golden brown in color. Next he is going to add 5 to 6 red chilies and frying it for a while again, adding 2 to 3 medium sized chopped onions and frying it for 2 to 3 minutes until it fries and gets smoothened. After that he is going to add 3 to 4 chopped tomatoes and then again frying it for a little time. So all the onions and tomatoes he has chopped in a big size, as he is going to make a paste of this masala, so that's why he had chopped in a big size it. Next he is going to add salt as per the taste requirement, then half spoon of chili powder for the color and 1 spoon of turmeric. Then again he is going to stir and then he is going to remove this fried masala from a kadai to the jar and going to make a paste once it cools down. until it cools. He shooted while I'm dusting. So now he is going to grind this fried masala in a fine paste. And now for the same kadai, he is going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 spoon of mustard seeds. When it starts popping, added 1 tablespoon of chana dal and also some curry leaves, which gives you a good flavor and taste for this chutney, and also little bit of salt as per the taste requirement. Then he is going to fry it for little seconds. Then next he is going to add finally this grinded masala or paste with little bit of water as per the quantity you require. So you can add the water for it, and he is going to stir for a while, and once it started boiling, this red chutney or tomato chutney is ready to serve for the breakfast. So for this chutney in South, especially in Mangalore, neer dosa or water dosa prepared from rice batter is popular delicacy, makes a very good combination for this as a breakfast. So already हमने batter ready किए थे. So now the neer dosa with red chutney is ready. Once give it a try for this recipe. After our breakfast, I started cleaning the kitchen so that to have a clean space while preparing for next lunch for the afternoon. Don't know how many of you do this part, but we do this in our daily routine. नेक्स्ट हमने लंच के लिए सिंपल वेज पुलाव विथ अ कुकुम्बर कर्ड सलाद बनाए थे. सो दिस I didn't shoot it that recipe as it's a simple thing that we have prepared for the lunch, but for the evening snack मैंने वेज कटलेट बनाई थी. For this I have some carrots, boiled 3 to 4 potatoes, onions, coriander and green chilies with little spices इसे चाहिए. So यहाँ पे मैंने आलू को स्मैश कर रही हूँ, and then in a bowl I am going to add some grated carrots, finely chopped onions, coriander and chilies. मैंने वहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो मैंने चॉपर को यूज़ किया है for finely chopping the onion, coriander and chilies. So for a bowl I am adding that grated carrots, smashed potatoes with a coriander, onions and green chilies. After mixing it well, I am going to add 2 spoons of soaked poha और फ्लैटेंड राइस फ्लेक्स भी कहते हैं और अवलक्की कहते हैं इसे. सो इसके प्लेस में इफ़ इन केस आपके पास पोहा नहीं है तो आप 2 टेबलस्पून ऑफ राइस फ्लोर भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. सो फॉर दैट नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour, then little bit of chili powder as spicy you require, some garam masala, jeera powder, chaat masala, and at the last I am going to add salt as required for taste. Next going to mix it for a while and then start making a dough in a cutlet shape, then dip it in a breadcrumbs and shallow fry in a pan by spreading little bit of oil as per it required to fry. We are not making a deep fry of cutlet, always cutlet will be in a shallow fry. So मैंने इसे shallow fry ही कर रही हूँ. So इसे ऑयल बहुत ही कम चाहिए होती है for making a cutlet as we do a shallow fry. Then roast this cutlet both the sides by spreading little bit of oil in a pan. आप ब्रेड क्रम्स के प्लेस में आप रस्क की पाउडर बनाकर वो भी आप डिप करके भी आप लगा सकते हो। आप ब्रेड क्रम्स घर पे ही बना सकते हो बाय रोस्टिंग अ ब्रेड बोथ द साइड्स। आफ्टर दैट वो कूल बन जाए तो आप ग्राइंडर में उसे पाउडर बना के भी आप कटलेट बनाते समय इसे यूज़ कर सकते हो। आई एम मेकिंग ऑल द कटलेट्स फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस। So you have to fry this cutlet until it becomes crispy outer layer in a medium flame. Then this veg cutlet is going to be ready to serve. You can serve this by adding some chopped onions, carrot, coriander, sweet and spicy chutney as a chat also. But I served this with a tomato ketchup and green chutney, which I usually make and refrigerate, and use that green chutney for vegetable salads or for cucumber. Now veg cutlet is ready to serve for our evening snack.
Hello guys, welcome back again. So yesterday I started the vlog. Actually yesterday मैंने सोचा था कि weekend vlog बनाया जाए. That's why I started yesterday. It's a Saturday and आज है Sunday and still I am continuing this video. I hope till now you have enjoyed. And अभी क्या करने वाले हैं, हम बाहर जाने वाले हैं, मैं and my husband, and we are going for shopping. कुछ शॉपिंग करनी है and बैंगलोर में जयनगर जा रहे हैं. इट इज़ लिटिल वैरायटी हमको मिलती है एंड डिफरेंट थिंग्स हमको देखने को मिलती है वहाँ पे. अगर वहाँ पे हमारा चॉइस की कुछ थिंग्स नहीं मिला तो हम जाएंगे कहीं और. बज रहा है 11:30. हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट हो चुका है, रूटीन ऑल वर्क डन, बट अभी तक मैंने शावर नहीं की है. अब मुझे जाकर शावर करके बाद में हम रेडी होके जाने वाले हैं. सो अगर आपको मेरी वीडियोस पसंद आए तो लाइक बटन दबाना मत भूलिएगा. एंड इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू माई चैनल देन आई एम प्रतीक्षा एंड आई मेक द वीडियोज़ रिलेटेड टू द लाइफ स्टाइल, फूड, career and much more. So it will be interesting if you join with me. I will be very happy to meet you in every videos. So बस इतना ही. अभी हम जाते हैं, जाकर रेडी होकर आज का संडे को मस्ती, मज़ा एंड फन क्रिएट करते हैं. सो आई विल मीट यू आफ्टर सम टाइम. टिल देन बाय बाय.
I had the time to go outside. शिवदीप को भी कुछ काम था, so I started painting this picture. मैंने गूगल से इस पिक को देखकर ड्रॉ करी थी. मुझे टाइम नहीं मिली थी इसे पेंट करके फिनिश करने के लिए, बट फाइनली आई completed this painting on that day. Whenever I feel stressed out and get free time, I use it to create art in my art frame book, which I share those amazing paintings with you in my future videos. So हम जयनगर गए थे. It's a Jayanagar 4th block. We purchased some clothes and had some charts in this popular food joint called Hari Super Sandwich. Then we went to one of the amazing place called Sankey Tank. So the Sankey Tank, which is constructed in 1882, it is a man-made lake, and as Bangalore owing to rapid urban growth, यहाँ पे इस तरह के लेक रिजर्वर को देखने के लिए बहुत कम होता है, but it is beautiful as you can see the view. So it's a evening हम वहाँ पे गए थे एंड इट इज़ लोकेटेड इन द मिडल ऑफ मलेश्वरम, वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ बैंगलोर. इफ़ यू आर इन बैंगलोर डू विज़िट दिस प्लेस. बहुत सारे लोग लाइक सीनियर सिटीजन्स, फ्रेंड्स, फैमिलीज़ उनके बच्चों के साथ यहाँ पे टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं. बहुत ही अच्छा है ये. सो दिस प्लेस, यहाँ का लेक साइड व्यू आपको एकदम अमेज, अट्रैक्टिव एंड रिफ्रेशमेंट कर देता है. सो इट इज़ ब्यूटिफुल. सो यहाँ पे ही मैं इस व्लॉग को एंड करती हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच. मैं मिलती हूँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन लॉट्स ऑफ लव. बाय बाय.